It's unboxing time. It's time to unbox my iPad. You guys, I got this for Christmas. Tell me why it's January 7th and I'm just now about to unbox it, because I don't know, I just wanted to do a video and unbox it, but it's time. Yo, you guys, I love this pink color. I've been wanting this pink. I think they only have this in the 10th generation, like the color. I'm doing it all over.
Portrait. Здравствуйте. Чтобы перейти к настройке, проведите пальцем вверх от нижнего края. More info button.
Yeah. Where's the
Cap N. More info button. English button. English button. English button. United States. United States.
Yo, why is it
button.
telling me everything I'm clicking on?
United States button.
To figure out why my iPad repeats everything that it's doing. Like, it's an accessibility thing, but why did it do that? I'm scared. What's my password? Because maybe I don't know the password. Okay.
Caps lock.
See? Oops. It says triple click the home button.
Voiceover off.
Okay. Why did it do that? Like, it just... I am so confused right now. It's like too early in the morning to be doing this. So, to turn it on, you do it 3 times, and then turn it off. You click it on 3 times. Okay. Okay. But, yeah, this is... Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And you guys, I got these cases. As soon as I opened it and realized that night, y'all, of Christmas, I ordered some cases, because look at this one, y'all. This is like a composition, a notebook, and it's pink and I love it. And it just reminds me, because I am in college, so it kind of reminds me of like school vibes, school notebook. Then I got this pen on Amazon. It's not the Apple pen, but I saw on TikTok that it says that it works real good. So we'll see about that. Then I got this case on Amazon. I feel like it was like similar, kinda. Not really, but kinda. So yeah, I got that case. And I like, because it came with like a pen holder. Wait, where's it? Like right here. You can put the pen. Let me see if this one fits, actually. Yeah, kind of fit. Oops, not really, but yeah, it fits in there. And then I got this case because it's like a clear case, and I'm planning to put like a bunch of stickers on it and make it cute whenever I use this case. I really wanted to do like my own DIY iPad case and get a bunch of like Tumblr stickers, Hello Kitty, I can't talk, Hello Kitty stickers. And inside the box of the iPad, it came with a charger, the charger cube, which I'm glad it did, because the iPhone, actually, when did they stop giving you an iPhone cube? Like, how are you gonna assume that I already have one? But anyway, with the iPad, I don't know about the other iPads, but with this one, it did come with a cube. And it's actually this charger, like this little thing right here. You know how they say that it's similar to the Android chargers. Oops. So this one in my phone is compatible, so I'm glad. So yeah, I came with the charger and the charger cube. And now it's saying that I have to like set it up for myself. Continue. So now I'm like placing my finger to do the, oops. Bro, why did I use this finger, I guess? I don't know. I'm doing all kind of fingerprints around here now. Now I'm setting up my passcode.
Colors of the sky.
Oh, now I have to say, Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send me a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. It reminds me of like at school when they try to make you like read stuff and you're like practicing. Siri, play some music. Okay. Welcome to iPad. Get started. And this is how it looks. Obviously, I'm gonna make it all cute and pink. And yeah, y'all. And I do have a screen savior. I have a screen protector. Right here. So it says pass the alcohol wipe through. And then this right here. Does this have a camera? I don't see it. Does this iPad have a camera? Because I didn't see it. Oh, it does, but like, where would it be? Y'all, the camera quality is good. Could I record on my iPad? I look good. It's not even that bad. Oh, where did my trapito go? Okay, anyway. I'm getting sidetracked. We gotta put this little thing on here, the screen protector. Oh, the camera's right here, y'all. The camera's like right here on the side. And to start out, I'm gonna put this case on there because I just think that's the cutest case. Oh, and this one has a pen holder as well. I mean, yeah, this one has a pen holder. I need to get rid of the air bubbles, but y'all look, it has a little pen holder right there. That completes my iPad unboxing. I'm in love with this. It's so cute. Now I'm gonna be doing my schoolwork or watching movies or editing my videos on here. She's so cute. She just looks like a little notebook. But thank you so much for watching. I'll leave my iPad cases link down below if you guys want to twin with me so we can be matching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.